Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save learning languages with the help of HelloTalk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with HelloTalk, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once the installation is complete, open HelloTalk on your device. Next, create a new account using your email or log in with an existing account. After logging in, you will need to set up your profile. Fill in your name, native language, and the language you want to learn. Make sure to add a profile picture for a personal touch. Now, navigate to the Home tab to find language partners. Use the search filters to choose partners based on their native language and your learning preferences. Once you've found potential partners, start sending them messages. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself and share your language learning goals. As you communicate, take advantage of HelloTalk's built-in translation tools. You can also correct each other's messages by tapping on the text. This feature is ideal for learning vocabulary and sentence structure in context. Make it a habit to practice regularly with your language partners. Engage in voice and video calls when you feel more comfortable. These interactions will significantly improve your speaking and listening skills. Remember to be patient and encouraging with yourself and your partners. You can also explore the Moments section for language tips and inspiration. Here, other users share their thoughts and experiences in various languages. Take part in discussions or post your own moments for feedback. Using stickers and voice messages can help make interactions more fun. Try to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Engage with native speakers on various topics during chats. You can also join language groups available within the app. Participating in these groups will enhance your learning experience. Set specific goals for your language practice to track your progress. Stay consistent and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.